Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So we're going to do something a little different today. Instead of cooking, I have a free coupon for a free 10-inch pizza from Your Pie Pizza. So I'm going to go through the steps and we're going to go ahead and order this little pizza. So you want to click on the icon. I have the app and it's showing you, you can see that I have 22 points, and it's asking me if I want to earn points or redeem the points. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay, and then right underneath there it says free 10-inch pizza, and I can press the redeem button. And no, this video is not sponsored. Okay, so then redeem, just showing y'all the steps. Redeem confirmation. So I'm going to redeem now. Okay, and then it gives me a barcode. So I'm going to take a picture of the screen. Okay, so it says get a free 10-inch pizza with Your Pie Rewards app. To redeem online orders, do not click redeem on the home page of the app. Instead, select order and create your order. Add anything and everything you'd like, and be sure to add a 10-inch pizza. Apply the free pizza redeemable on the make a payment page to get your discount. That's it. To redeem in store, place your order. Be sure to include a 10-inch pizza. Present your redeemable to the cashier. Offer valid on qualified rewards purchases placed with Your Pie Pizza Rewards app. Valid at participating locations only. 1 per person. Not valid with any other offers. Some premium upcharges may apply. Unused reward will expire. Please tell your cashier you'd like to scan your QR code. Okay, so that's basically saying go ahead and start ordering. Okay, so I'm going to start my order and select the location. And I like it because you can get any kind of pie that you want, or you can build your own. So that's what I normally do, is build my own. And it is a 10-inch pie, so you get to choose what kind of crust you want. So they have white wheat, keto cauliflower, which is extra $4.99. I guess depending on what city or state you live in, the price may vary. There's gluten-free allergy, which is $4.59, and gluten-free preference, which is $4.59 as well. I'm just gonna go for the white crust. Then you get to choose your sauce. Okay, so they have marinara, extra virgin olive oil, no sauce, or see other sauces. So then you could do Alfredo, basil pesto, barbecue, buffalo ranch, or ranchy marinara. Now, if you are a vegan, you might want to ask about the barbecue and the buffalo sauce. I'm sure the ranchy marinara, the ranch, the basil pesto, and the Alfredo all have some type of cheese in them, so they're probably not vegan. So you might want to double check if you are vegan or don't do dairy. Okay, so I'm going to go for marinara and extra virgin olive oil. Then you get to choose your cheese, and again, if you are vegan, you would select see other cheese, and you will see on the list is vegan cheese. So we'll go ahead and select that. Okay, and then you can add whatever toppings you want to your pie. They have like all the veggies. So, I'm gonna keep it simple, and I'm gonna add, let's do some spinach today, garlic, basil. I normally add mushrooms, but I'm not gonna add mushrooms. I'm gonna add some green pepper. They also have artichoke hearts, cilantro, jalapenos, pineapples, banana peppers, and oregano. So I did add a little jalapenos and oregano. Jalapenos. Okay, and then you have the meats section. Okay, and again, if you're vegetarian or vegan, you would see other meats. And then there's the plant-based meat or plant-based sausage. Okay. And you would add it to your bag. So this 10-inch pie is $10.99 plus tax here in the city of Atlanta. Okay. Then you would let them know, that's my phone number I'm covering up. So you would let them know your preferences. So prepare immediately or set a date and time, in-store pickup or delivery. Then it'll tell you to confirm your preference. Proceed to update your order. Okay, then you can apply your reward. You can either apply a reward or a coupon. Okay, so I'm applying my reward. Okay, so now my total is $1.08. See, if you see, it says apply reward or apply coupon. I don't know if that's clear. And you can leave a tip or not leave a tip. That's totally up to you. Okay. And then you'll see this screen thanking you for your order and confirming. So you would just press OK. It does send you an email. And it gives you the option to save as your favorite order. So remember, I had the white crust and all the toppings that I selected. So if I want to order that exact pizza again, this is kind of blurry, sorry. I would just save it so that whenever I'm ready to order it again, I don't have to put in all the different options. I can just select my favorite one. Okay, so it's telling me it's 12. I placed the order at 12:45, and then my order will be ready at 1 o'clock. Okay, so I'm so glad we had this time together. I may come back and do a mukbang. I just wanted to again show you how simple it is to order from Your Pie Pizza. I don't know if you want to go to the store with me to go pick it up. I guess we could. I don't know. That might be too much for me because For those of you who don't know, I do still have sciatica in the body, so that door is a little heavy, and I don't think I can carry the phone and open the door. A lot of times sometimes there's somebody there, and they'll open the door for me, but that doesn't always happen. So I'm not gonna take the chance. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video. But I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I appreciate you for watching, and until next time, I love y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Make the best of every situation, because life is too short. Live each day as if it were your last, because you never know what might happen. Although we want good things to happen, and we can manifest good things, if we think positive, good things will happen and come to us. Love y'all. Later.